Ever wondered what it's like to stand on the bustling streets of Tokyo or gaze up at the ancient pyramids of Giza without stepping foot outside your home? Google Maps Street View makes that possible. To begin your virtual journey on a desktop, navigate to the Google Maps website in your preferred web browser. In the omnipresent search bar, enter the location you wish to explore. Let's choose the breathtaking ancient citadel of Machu Picchu in Peru. Once your destination materializes on the map, locate a small, circular graphic resembling a camera. This is your portal to Street View. A simple click is all it takes. And voila, you're instantly transported to ground level, offering a realistic, immersive perspective. Rotate your viewpoint by smoothly dragging your mouse across the screen. To traverse the landscape, tap on the directional arrows that appear overlaid on the imagery. These allow you to advance, retreat, or pivot your view, creating a seamless virtual exploration. This feature is an invaluable tool for per-trip reconnaissance, familiarizing yourself with an unfamiliar neighborhood, or simply satisfying your wanderlust from the comfort of your chair. Now, let's transition to exploring the world through your handheld device. Launch the Google Maps application on your smartphone or tablet. Similar to the desktop experience, begin by entering your desired location into the search bar. This time, let's aim for the vibrant chaos of Times Square in New York City. After the search results populate, you'll see an initial map preview. Swipe upwards from the bottom of the display to access more comprehensive information, where you'll find the iconic Pegman figure. A circumflex euros are key to Street View. Press and hold the Pegman icon, then gracefully drag it onto any street illuminated with a blue line, indicating Street View coverage. Releasing your touch will plunge you into the immersive 360-degree panorama. On a mobile device, navigation is effortless. You can tap the on-screen arrows for directional movement or physically move your device to steer your virtual perspective. It's an experience designed for intuitive interaction. Whether you're meticulously planning an epic adventure or simply indulging a fleeting curiosity, Google Maps Street View provides an unparalleled and accessible method for global virtual exploration. So dive in, embark on your digital expeditions, and let Street View guide you to your next unforgettable discovery.